we got Rocky doing some surgery on the bumper right quick. We're putting a new motor in the Thunder Bomber. That's really loud. I'm gonna walk over here. But we got some company in town. Our friends Bryce and Emily come down to stay with us. Basically, Taylor's lifelong best friend is Emily, and Bryson's her boyfriend. It's Emily's birthday week, so they come down here to stay with us. We were gonna take the Lakeview car to Lakeview tonight and race. Fortunately, it got canceled. But the good news of it is the Thunder Bomber race at Sumter, the series race with the Monster Thunder Bomber series, got canceled. So yesterday, went picked up the new, basically brand new motor. The only thing that ain't brand new are the pieces that really ain't allowed to be brand new. So it's basically brand new top to bottom, everything but the intake, the head castings, and the block. So really excited to get this piece in. Rouse has been doing my stuff for a long time. Made really good power on the dyno. So looking forward to getting in this car. We've had it 2 months. Had this car 2 months, I think, and haven't got to race it because we've been waiting on a motor. Finally got that thing back, going in the car right now, and plan is to go down to Sumter and race it on August 15th, which is this coming Saturday. So we've been slack on the videos. This rain's been killing us. We went down to Sumter to race. I'll have to get Megan to send me the video of them leaving the track. There was like, the water went over the hood of their car trying to leave the track. So that kind of sucked. But yeah, it was a eventful little deal there. But we're gonna get this thing thrown in real quick and hope we'll get it running today. All right, so we ended up getting the motor in the new white car. We had plans to take it to Sumter, which I believe I already put it on Facebook and everything. However, Lakeview's now decided to add stock V8 to their race on August 15th. All right, so getting back out here in the shop. This was going to be a video that posted on Monday, but things happened and didn't end up posting it, because I didn't really have a lot to post. So get back out here on the Fight Fab, and I am changing the way the front bumper's mounted. They had it like solid mounted with 2 pieces of square tubing. We cut that mess off. We're gonna make it where you can unbolt the bumper from the chassis and have like an adjustable, or not really adjustable, but just a better brace to the, so like if you get into somebody, it doesn't just roll straight up or down. So I'm going to use some aluminum, some 1/4 inch thick aluminum strapping for braces. Like the chassis and the bumper have holes for it, so I don't even have to weld any tabs on. But I don't know if they were just in a pinch, or I don't know what happened. Like I would have never, for a car that costs this much, I would have never welded a T-bar on the front, but it's welded in too. So that'll be another time to fix it. It just sucks because the chassis powder coated, and I'm gonna have to weld on it, cut and weld on it. So anyhow, I'm gonna get to work on that. I just want to get this car ready so we can go race it. Lakeview has added a points race to the schedule. I'd already had some plans for Saturday that I can't really do anything about. So as of right now, I might miss qualifying or, hot lap qualifying at Lakeview. But we will be there. For all the tens of hundreds of people that are messaging me where I'm racing this weekend and why I'm not going to be at Lakeview, blah, blah, blah. The plan is to be at Lakeview. I just might be a little later getting there. But going to get some work done on this car. The Lakeview car is sitting there ready to go. It was ready to go last weekend before they canceled. And kind of going to be surprised if we race there this weekend because the rain percentage isn't looking great right now, but it's only Tuesday. So we'll get shout out to Tay Tay. We got us some freshies over here. Rocky, what do you feel about freshies?
About time. Tired of mountain dry rotary tires.
Ain't she pretty? Hey. Alright, we've got us a little tire game going on. Tay went and got us, or she went and picked up some tires for me today. Appreciate her doing that. Appreciate Lakeview having tires on hand where we could go pick them up. Here's our plan. Both of these cars will be sitting ready in the shop. Lakeview car will be back for Lakeview. Thunder Bomber, the new Thunder Bomber, is going to be sitting here ready to go. Got some weather coming in this weekend, so we're going to have a race car to go race somewhere this weekend. We had to take a week off due to weather, and Tay gets a little stir crazy when she has to sit at home and we don't get racing. Not a bad thing, but we got to go find us a race this weekend. Wish we were down at Street Stock Nationals running factory stock, but just wasn't really possible for that to happen this year. Hopefully next year we'll have our Flying 9 ready to roll. We'll have a factory stock combo and a Lakeview combo for that car, and we'll be able to go down there and see what we can do. So appreciate Rocky coming over here. And today's Thursday. I didn't get off work till, I don't know, I'm working second shift right now, so Rocky was gracious enough to come over and still help us even though I'm working late. Went ahead and the Lakeview car was ready for last weekend even though we got rained out. So all I got to do on it is change the gear, and something I missed last week, so I'm kind of glad we rained out and we were able to work on the white car, get the motor in and all. But I got to fix my frame holes because I'm walling them out again. I've already welded washers, so I made 2 plates, drilled them out to 1/2 inch, and we're going to see if that does it. And I will try to do like a little bit of a video on that. So I'm not the only person that has a problem with this. So the upper trailing arm mounts on a metric chassis, I don't know what it is, but they wall her out. And we'll do a little video and explain what we're doing and make sure that we get everything back to where it needs to be. Because I'm pretty sure I lost some pinion angle in it. But put you on some time lapse and let y'all watch us mount some tires. I'm kind of excited. I ain't bought a brand new tire for these cars yet, so. we got the Thunder Bomber on the Hammond plates. I just finished going through the front end, checking caster, camber, toe out, that kind of stuff. Had to do a little bit of adjusting to get the caster where I wanted it. Toe was good, which I've already been through this car. We did go out there to Lakeview and make like half a lap, and to this day, Taylor's got more laps in that car than I do. She went and packed the track when we went out there for when we rented the track on 4th of July. Got 3 new tires mounted for the Thunder Bomber car. I've got good tires on the Lakeview car right now. They're not new, but they're definitely better than what I've been running. A couple of them I've been saving because they were just really good tires. No dry rot. That's a good tire to me. So just want to say thank you again to Tay for running out to Lakeview, picking tires up. Obviously, thank you to the track for having tires and Albert for meeting her out there. The only thing we got left to do on the white car is scale it, and we need to get a vacuum port in the intake. For some reason, that's an older 2101 intake on that motor. It's one that I had. I'm not really sure why, but a 3/8 pipe thread won't fit. Most time your Edelbrock intakes have the pipe thread stuff, but like a 3/8 pipe thread or a 1/2 inch pipe thread. Not sure why that one's not, but we're either gonna have to drill and tap it so we can put the correct fitting in, or we're gonna drill the plug that was in it out, lock it in, and then thread it for 1/4 inch pipe thread, and we'll be able to put a vacuum port on it, because the rules for Thunder Bomber is you have to have 18 inches of vacuum at 1,000 RPM. I guess that is how they check cams without pulling cams, but that car is basically ready. Like I said a minute ago, just got to change the gear, and I got to fix the upper trailing arm mounts. Now this video probably won't get posted until Saturday, maybe Sunday, so I apologize for slacking on the videos. We just been waiting on parts or waiting on weather. We went to go race at Sumter last weekend, and we got drenched. I'll never forget that day. Some very unfortunate events that have had to deal with all the water on the roof while I was moving it to get it back on the truck took place, and it was not fun. So anyhow, I'm probably gonna call it a night here, get my tires moved in. Got to grow my left rear. She's a little small. Other than that, I think all the tires came out good. We might even put a buffer on them and really have us a good piece. The only tire we didn't mount new was the left front, and I'll argue till I'm blue in the face. I don't believe in putting new tires on the left front. One, they get hit a lot, and two, that corner don't do a whole lot on the racetrack. It's kind of just there, and I mean, could be different in these cars. I don't know. I know in my UMP cars, that thing never touched the ground. Looking forward to getting some laps in this car. Been itching to. Excited to try the new motor and the car, and it's just hopefully everything goes our way, and we don't have any new car blues to whine about whenever we get to racing. So the plan is, they added a points race at Lakeview. Plan is to go there and race the Lakeview car, but if weather inflicts those plans, we'll be ready to go to Sumter. So for the 200,000 people that have asked me where I'm racing, that should answer your question. It sucks because I really want to race this white car, and I could put a rev box on it and go race it at Lakeview and probably not be too far off. I got another 2-barrel I could put on it. It's just one of those things where I want to have 2 cars sitting here and I can go race wherever I want. The black car still is for sale. I should be getting my Flying 9 here soon. Basically have everything to make that car roller, minus the rear end. I'm just trying to find the best option of where to buy my rear end from and get it the way I want it. And the biggest thing with that is I want to have bolt-on spring perches and adjustable trailing arm mounts, because even at Lakeview I can block the lower holes off. But I believe in factory stock, because I'm trying to make that car where I can race both. I believe in the factory stock stuff, you can actually move your trailing arms. So I'm trying to make it work where I have a car I can go race anywhere. Only downside of that car is it won't have a firewall floor or factory firewall floor pan in it, so it'll be all fabricated like a factory stock car. But it's still gonna be a nice car, and I'll still have another one to go race Thunder Bomber with. And after seeing the numbers from the dyno, I really don't see where, like, I have 3 good engines, really good Thunder Bomber motor. I mean, it's brand new from Rouse. My Lakeview motor, she's strong. Surprisingly, that motor made less horsepower than my Thunder Bomber motor, but the 4-barrel helps the Thunder Bomber motor a lot. And then I've got this Vortec headed motor. Fella told me it's a built 602. I don't really know what that means. I don't really know where it can be raced. We could actually be racing it at Why Not this weekend with that motor, but just one of those things where we're not quite ready for that. So we're trying to work there. I'd like to go to the Street Stock Nationals next year. I think that'd be a real fun trip. Real good racing, and probably learn a lot down there. So anyhow, I'm getting off here, starting to run my mouth. Got to clean up some stuff, but we will check you guys later. All right, it's about 1 in the morning, and Bonnie's sitting ready to go. We're gonna wake up in the morning, come out here, and get old Buck ready to go. Took a little longer on the scales than what I expected with the white car, aka Bonnie. I think we got her close. Trying a little bit different stuff because I'm able to run, like, rear percentage, I can run more rear percentage in that car just because the cage is offset to the rear a little bit more. But told you I was going to try to have this video posted. 1 in the morning right now. I got to wake up, press some shirts for Tay, and then get out here in the shop, get the black car finished up, because we're racing at Lakeview tomorrow night. Kind of put my priorities a little out there tonight, but I just wanted to have everything ready just in case with both cars. So yeah, appreciate everybody watching. Drop down and like the video, leave us a comment, and hopefully we'll see you guys at a racetrack tomorrow.